How to end a signal call. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to end a voice or video call, then firstly open up the Signal application. After you open the Signal app, make sure that you join into a call. After you're inside the call, if you ever want to end the call after completing your conversation, you'll just need to find the red receiver icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the red receiver button at the bottom right corner once you are done with your call, and then once you do that, you will be able to end the call. So right after you do that, you can start another voice or video call anytime if you wish to make a call again. So that's how you end your Signal voice or video call. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.